Ever since I joined Instagram, it's been inspiration definitely for adventures like today. And Catherine and my good buddy Ray down there have been the most faithful adventure buddies I have. So special shout out to those two. There's Ray and Catherine. Since I joined Instagram over a year ago, there's been one thing I learned about. I had no idea it was in Southwest Washington. It's the most beautiful thing I think I may have ever laid my eyes on. About to pan over to it. Thank you Instagram, thank you Pacific Northwest Off-Trail Waterfalls for all the info, and special shout out to Lisa Hewitt and all your amazing YouTube videos. Oh, and also Tim and Melinda, because come on now, they're like the OGs. Rusty Waterfalls, man. Shout out to Melinda. Sorry, I'm super excited, so it's a little shaky. That's Trib, man. Fucking Trib. Probably close to a mile of a hike straight upstream through washouts. No joke. Super grateful for this experience. Super humbling experience.